my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have our September BoxyLuxe. Okay, so let's get started. This is BoxyCharm, but this month it is BoxyLuxe. So every 3 months you'll receive your BoxyLuxe. You must be a BoxyCharm subscriber in order to receive a BoxyLuxe. Now BoxyCharm is $21.99 per month, and BoxyLuxe is an additional $28.99 once every 3 months. So roughly $50. And totally worth it. Totally worth it. Okay, so let's get into what's in here. It'll be full size, large, a lot of times luxury brands. I've been really impressed with it. Okay, so this month's theme is all access. Okay, there's our paper. Here is inside the box. I'm so excited. Oh, let's start with this. Okay, this is Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Awesome. Alrighty. I actually really like this. This is in Rubino. Now, oh, that's really dark. Now, I have updated my quiz several times and I'm still getting colors that really aren't suitable for me, and I'm not sure why. It's a little frustrating, but every month for the last 3 months, I've made sure my quiz is updated, and I'm still receiving much darker colors. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's my hair color. I don't know, I'm not sure. But this is a little dark for me. This is the original Power Pout. Stila's award-winning full coverage creamy liquid lipstick delivers bold, long-lasting color that wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, this lightweight formula softens lips so they look and feel beautiful. MSRP $22. I do enjoy this brand. I do enjoy this lip product. I have used it before. Oh, focus. But you can see this is quite dark. I feel like it's too dark for me, but we're gonna go for it, okay? We're gonna go for it. You can always doctor it up with another color. Wow, that is really, really intense. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put this on. Okay, so I had a little bit of trouble with this because this is an incredibly dark color. This is not a color to be put on without a mirror. And now it's all over me because I was sort of doctoring it up. So forgive any imperfections there. I did clean it up with my Jaden Madison lip gloss. It is just too dry for me, and it's such an intense dark color. But there you go. So I will leave the Jaden Madison link for you. That's good stuff. Really good lipstick, really good gloss. So if you ever have a liquid lipstick, it pairs well with it. It doesn't make it a gummy mess. Okay, so let's get back to it. And if this is distracting, I'm sorry. I'm enjoying it though. I actually really like it. Okay, so here is, ooh, Violet Voss. Now we received a Violet Voss palette in another box, in a BoxyCharm box. I don't remember if it was Luxe or just a regular box. I love their shadows, I really do. This is a Violet Voss Essential Eyeshadow Palette, provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use and stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. Your choice, the choice is yours. $29 value. Ooh! I don't know. There we go. Yeah, not my colors. There's a couple of colors in there I would use, but I don't know. You know what? Who am I to judge? We can just play. We can play and see what we come up with, okay? We're not gonna do that today, but we'll play. We'll play together at some point. Why not? All right, next we have, what is this? This is a, oh, Sutra. Yes. Oh, excellent. This clipless curling iron is the perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, and even ringlets. This top-of-the-line curling iron has a ceramic heating element and an infused titanium polished barrel. 1.25 inches, $65 value. Okay, yes, I've just cut my hair. And I've always wanted to try. My cat is going crazy over there playing with something. So there we go. And it is ceramic infused titanium far infrared heat, clipless design, 360-degree swivel, cord, ergonomic handle, and dual voltage. I wonder how warm it gets, how hot it gets. You have to kind of put some pretty high heat on my hair. I have very thick, coarse hair. Oh, there's more in here. Oh, you can get 25% off. This is the warranty and safety card. Oh, they have lots of different products. Okay. Let's see if it says on here. Oh, this is nice. Okay. No, it doesn't give the heat. So that's a great barrel. Excellent. It's just a clip on and off right here and a twisty cord. That's excellent. Yep, you can bet I'm going to use that. We're going to play. We'll play. I don't have a hair iron like that at all. Okay, what is next? This is Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm by IGK. I just picked up some IGK dry shampoo. Is that what it is? Let's see. Yes, this is the hair dry shampoo I just picked up, and I'm really impressed with it. It has charcoal in it. It didn't irritate my scalp. Normally dry shampoos really irritate my scalp, so I'm excited about this. Okay, hydrating hair balm. Let's read. Leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. That's all it says. That's all it says on here too. For dry, coarse hair, which is what I have. You have dry, coarse, frizzy hair. You want smooth, soft, hydrated hair. How to get it? Apply damp to or dry hair, air dry or blow out. Yes, thank you. That is excellent. It is a $29 value. Let's see the smells lovely. Smells lovely. Excellent. I'm very happy to have that. Okay, this is Hydrobiotic. Dr. Grant Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. $52. Wow. Deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs, locks in moisture prevent. Well, what's in it to make it do that? Water, glycerin, dimethicone. Okay, I mean, we'll try it at night. Maybe you put it on after your skincare. Apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. Okay, sure, I'll try it. Why not? Skincare, I love skincare. Now I saw a spoiler, like a sneak peek sort of spoiler on this, and I was so hoping it would be in my box. I'm so excited about this. This is Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. The ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice, one of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C. Natural AHA and bromelain enzymes infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. $49. A potent source of natural vitamin C, chamomile, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. I am so excited about this. I love getting stuff like this in my boxes. I didn't used to, but I really do now. And honestly, I use less on my face and more on my arms. My arms are what are damaged by the sun. Look at the cute little bottle. There we go. Okay, let's. Wow, it smells just like a pineapple. A little less fruity, but smells just like it. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Most vitamin C serums are a little sticky. Yep, this one is too. Perfect. Excellent. Oh, I'm so happy for that. Hank and Henry. I've heard of this brand, just recently started hearing about this brand. I think they have a subscription box or something. I'm not sure, but this is new for me. Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula. It dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyes. $20 value. It's a liquid liner. I don't normally wear liquid liner. Like at all. Can't get this open. I'm not going to be able to get this open right now. Yes. Okay, I will try it. I would definitely try it. Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Typically I need waterproof eyeliner because of the moisturizers I wear under my eyes. It tends to transfer and smear, but you know, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna try it out. And last but not least in this box is this Park Avenue Princess. So excited about this. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Uh-oh, it's a little cracked, but that's okay. Look at that. All the different halo, enhance, carrot, princess cut, angle, and crown. Oh, smells good. Wow. Oh, hello. Your lipstick is quite bold, Missy. Okay, want to create that perfect seamless sun-kissed radiance? It's now easier than ever to bronze and glow with Tarte's best-selling multitasking bronzer formulated to blend and build your perfect level of uniform bronze. Available in Tarte's signature Park Avenue Princess Radiant Bronze shade, the waterproof formula adds instant warmth and dimension across a variety of skin tones as Amazonian clay helps improve overall skin clarity, texture, and tone for an overall lit from within complexion. A $45 value. Excellent. You know what? I don't for my face. I also want this for my body. When I wear bathing suits out in port, like tank tops and things like that, to kind of help keep my chest, the skin on my chest looking beautiful, which it's not, but to give it some beauty. So sort of help the color and the tone, highlight my collarbones, contour a little bit under the extra skin I got going on under here. Anyway, I'm very excited about this. I'm super pleased to have this. You know, there's some matte colors and a little bit of shimmer in these. Perfect. It's excellent. You don't have to just wear makeup on your face. So I don't like to wear it all over my body, but you know, I don't mind putting a little on my chest. Give a little prettiness to it, you know, add a little cleavage, if you will, where I have none. You know, play with lights, trick the eye. Play with lighting and contouring. There you go. All right, there you go. Okay, you guys, I have cashed in a couple of my charms. I do have a giveaway with a palette. So if you would like to join me and get that palette, which I need to go get for you. I'm gonna stop talking about it and then I'm gonna go get the palette and then I'm gonna show you. 1 second, let me get this all back in here and I will go and get it for you. Okay, I'm gonna leave BoxyCharm linked for you below. If you click on my link, I receive charms and I take those charms and I cash them in for items for you. So here is this, what I cashed in, my charms for this item. This is the Pure Festival palette. It's a great palette. I don't wanna open it, it's sealed, okay? So comment below your favorite vacation destination and I will use a random comment picker and one of you will win this palette. Okay? All right. And so if you click on my link, anytime I get charms, I save them up, I cash them in when I have enough, and I will give away whatever item I'm able to cash them in for as a little thank you for you guys clicking on my link. All right. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. I will leave everything linked for you in the description box and I will try and pin it to one of the comments. And yeah, I hope you enjoy BoxyCharm. It's one of my favorites. I've had it for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time. Bye.